You are super excited to play Assassin's Creed 4, but when you open the game, you face this error and suddenly all your excitement become down and now you are worried and looking for solution. But don't worry, I have a good news for you that you are at the right place and through this video I am going to solve your problem. But before we start this video, if you are new on my channel, then make sure to subscribe our channel and be part of our MK army. So now without any further ado, let's fix this problem. First of all, download this file. Don't worry, you will get the link in the description box. After downloading, simply open it. Now copy the file from here and go to your game directory and paste it. Boom, your problem has been fixed. Now let's try to open the game and here you can see the game opened without any error. I hope you guys will like this video. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.